Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend of Friday to Monday, May 20 to 23, 2022, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday. We have now a change of the wind system across the Philippine Islands. Some variable winds is being felt across the central and southern portions of the Philippines, but along the northern islands like Luzon and the Batanes-Bugcobab Islands, we have now the southwesterly surface wind flow known as the southwesterlies, and this is also known as a weak habagat in Tagalog, and this will bring some daily rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening across various sections of Luzon, and also some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across the Visayas and Mindanao, including Palawan, the rest of Mimaropa, and the Sulu Archipelago. So, PAGASA has already announced the start of the wet season or rainy season last Wednesday, and it is now bringing more thunderstorms across the country. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear when you are going out of the house, okay? Because this rain condition will be expected, particularly in the afternoon or evening. It's quite earlier right now because of the ongoing La Nina phenomenon. That's the reason why the wet season or the rainy season has just started earlier than expected. Usually they come during the month of June, but right now since May 15 we are now already, or earlier than that, we are already experiencing some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. This frontal system here, this is a stationary major front which is lingering over the northern portions of Asia. This is along the southern islands of Japan, Okinawa, and Taiwan. And this frontal system will continue to bring or to enhance the southwesterly wind flow across Luzon, particularly the western sections. That includes Ilocos region and the western sections of central Luzon. So don't be surprised if we have daily rainfall, especially in the afternoon or evening. Just be aware of possible lightning strikes, flash floods, landslides, and possible small twisters or water spouts lingering along these thunderstorm clouds known as cumulonimbus. Now, across the Western Pacific, it's all clear. We don't have any low pressure area impending to form within the next 5 days. We have only here two weather systems, the intertropical convergence zone across Micronesia and a surface trough in between Yap and Palau. So that's the latest from a graph sat. Here's the zoom in satellite animation. So you can clearly see here the frontal system. Okay, it's somewhere here, but starting to continues to enhance the southwesterly surface wind flow towards the direction. That's why there are some convection or rain showers and thunderstorms occurring across the western sections of our country. Now, let's take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation. So there you go. As the afternoon progresses, severe thunderstorms can be observed across most parts of Luzon, and also some isolated areas of Mimaropa, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and Mindanao. And as we look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Monday, we expect more thunderstorms to be felt across the country. And tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, we have here a large area of Luzon under the influence of thunderstorms, and also across the Bicol region, Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao, and that will occur for the next 3 days until Monday. So tomorrow, Saturday afternoon, also during Sunday afternoon, and on Monday afternoon as well, but it will be more frequent only along Luzon area, Central Visayas, and Western Visayas, as well as Mindanao. Other areas on Monday will have just an isolated chances of thunderstorms. So most of the rainfall for the next 3 days will occur between the afternoon or evening on Saturday and also on Sunday. So don't forget to bring your rain gear, because it will be a common sight every afternoon as we move into the start of the wet or rainy season. Here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. As you can see here, it looks like the rest of the country will be experiencing some rainfall, and rainfall accumulation forecast shows more rainfall across northern and central Luzon, especially in the afternoon or evening, with only a slight rainfall across eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. And if we take a look at the wind and the pressure forecast for the next 3 days, it's all gonna be variable winds across the Philippine Islands, except for the eastern sections where southeasterly winds will be expected, and generally it will be southwesterly winds across the western seaboards of Luzon, and also across the eastern coastline of Quezon or northern Quezon. And on Sunday afternoon, southerly winds will be expected across the country, and as you can see, the formation of the southwesterly wind flow or the start of the southwest monsoon will be expected in the next couple of weeks. We are going to see already a hint of this weekend across the southern sections of the South China Sea and also across the coastal areas of Vietnam. And on Monday afternoon, still southerly winds will be expected across the country, especially along the western sections, and also some southeasterly wind across the coastal areas of the Bicol region and eastern Visayas. So far, that's the latest on the wind and pressure forecast through Monday, and that ends our update for today, and we will return on Monday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.